You might have noticed that almost every other PYQ book separates JEE Main's questions from JEE Advanced questions. Perfectly logical way to do it, and probably an easier way to organize questions. But PYQ Plus takes a different, unified approach. Here's why. There's a common belief that JEE Mains is easy and JEE Advanced is tough, but that's not entirely true. There are some questions in Mains that are tough and some questions in Advanced that are easy. The syllabus is nearly identical and concepts too are same, and we have often seen JEE Advanced questions pop up in Mains word for word. This tells us that the boundary between these exams isn't as rigid. So, instead of obsessing over where a question came from, the PYQ Plus book asks what the question can teach you. If you run into tough problems too early, you get discouraged. And that's why the authors made a significant effort in deciding which problem should be placed where. That's exactly why PYQ Plus doesn't fragment questions based only on exam names. Instead, each question is carefully curated and arranged concept-wise so that each one prepares you for the next. As you move through the book, the level of your thinking develops naturally, giving you the confidence to solve increasingly challenging problems. Every question has a purpose. It either strengthens your concepts or sharpens your mind to tackle unseen questions. Exactly what JEE Advanced will test you on. Every question still has a bracket next to it to tell students where the PYQ showed up, in Mains or Advanced, but your learning isn't interrupted by those labels. It's guided by a progression designed carefully to make you a better problem solver, because the authors believe that a student's preparation doesn't happen exam by exam. It happens question by question. That's the thinking behind the unified approach in PYQ Plus. This unified approach does move away from the trends other PYQ books have set of keeping JEE Mains questions separate from JEE Advanced questions. But JEE Advanced questions demand that problem-solving ability from a student which cannot be developed in the last few months of their JEE preparation. You have to practice JEE Advanced questions alongside your Mains questions. This is where PYQ Plus truly stands out with its unified approach, keeping in mind that students open their thinking threads with every question they solve, regardless of whether it came from Mains or Advanced.